Welcome to Freque. In our revolutionary new platform, you can review video, music, and audio options seamlessly. Start with creating a project, name it, and upload a video. You can drag and drop a video here or search your local file structure. Multiple videos can be uploaded for episodic content or campaigns. Next, you can invite your team. Enter an email address and select a role on the project. Collaborators will get an email with a link to join. Invited team members only have access to the project they've been invited to. After you've uploaded a video, you can click on the thumbnail to enter the main workspace. Our lane technology makes it possible to upload music, video, and sound options for review with picture. On the left, you can see different departments, and clicking on them brings their lane into focus. You can leave frame-specific comments on the video lane but unlike other platforms, Freque allows for multiple review options for audio with picture. On the songs and source lane, for instance, where a music supervisor would work, you can click into it and create a queue that needs music options for review. Drag the edges or enter timecode to create the queue. Then click to enter the queue workspace. Here you can drag and drop music options from your computer into the left panel and play them with picture. If you found a track you liked and want to place it at a specific point in the film, you can drag it into the sync area in the middle and move it around. Dragging the edges will adjust the in and out point of the audio. You can slip the waveform to try out other sections at the same sync point, or drag the whole clip to listen to different sync points altogether. The sync tool allows you to easily line up a music edit to any given frame or timecode position. You can add volume automation as well by selecting the node icon and adjust the overall level of the piece. Re-editing a piece of music is easy. Just click on the pencil icon and start editing. Edits performed on existing ones that another team member has created appear as new edits, so you don't have to worry about changing somebody else's work. Toggling the working copy button makes that piece of audio active in a queue and will play it back in the main workspace. Highlighting pieces in the sync area makes them audible only locally, while toggling the working copy button activates them for playback in the entire film for the rest of your team. Commenting on audio is easy. Simply click on the waveform and then add a comment. You can drag the comment edges to indicate that your comment covers a section, or click this button here to leave a general comment about the entire track. Comments appear here on the right side, and clicking the play button will play the film from that moment on. Clicking on a comment gives you the option to reply. You can sort comments by date or timecode. These mute and solo buttons are for audio that was part of the video file which was uploaded. So if there's already music that came in with a picture, you can mute it here and audition new options. Sending music options to clients has never been easier with our music review links. Click Review, then select which songs you want to submit. Enter an email address, and recipients will get an email with a link that takes them to one video with multiple song options viewable on desktop or mobile. Toggling off film audio will omit the audio that was part of the original video file if you need to silence it from music review options. Freque works the same way with score, sound design, dialogue, and voiceover. Clicking on the avatar icon gets you to your settings where you can upload a profile picture. The help icon gives you a direct chat or email line to our support team. Here you can also find the other tutorial videos. We hope you enjoy working with Freque. Make sure you check out the individual feature tutorials as well.